Hi guys, welcome to Food Mood Creations. Today we're going to be making sugar-free, dairy-free mango ice cream. So if you want to make a version of this recipe with dairy and sugar, there's actually a recipe on my website. You can just sign up for my weekly newsletter and you will get access to it. Right now I'm adding coconut milk and monk fruit sweetener to a pot and stirring to combine. So I'm just going to heat this on the stove for a couple of minutes just until the monk fruit sweetener crystals dissolve. An interesting fact about mangoes is that green mangoes have more vitamin C than ripe mangoes, and ripe mangoes have more vitamin A than green mangoes. Mangoes contain polyphenolic compounds. These polyphenols can prevent the growth of cancer cells and destroy certain cancer cells such as leukemia, colon, prostate, and other cancer cells. If you want to know more interesting facts or about the health benefits of mangoes, you can click the link in the description box below. So to make the mango puree, I just added the mangoes that I showed you earlier to the food processor and blended them into puree. If you're using the stringy or hairy mangoes, whatever you want to call them, puree them and then put them into a fine mess set over a bowl. The sieve will catch the stringy fibers and leave you with a smooth puree. So now I'm adding the mango puree to the monk fruit sweetened and coconut milk mixture. I'm going to stir it really well to combine. This is vanilla bean paste, but if you don't have it, you can just use vanilla extract. I'm just adding like a teaspoon of the vanilla bean paste to the mango ice cream base. I'm just going to pour the mango ice cream base into a separate container and cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it overnight. I am using an ice cream maker to make this ice cream. I'm just going to put the bowl into the freezer at the same time and let it sit overnight in the freezer. If you don't have an ice cream maker, there are instructions on the website which will be linked down below. With the ice cream machine running, I'm just going to pour the mango ice cream base into the bowl and allow it to run for like 20 minutes until it doubles in size. As you can see, it has doubled in size. At this point, it's pretty much done, so I'm just going to pour it into an airtight container and freeze it for like 2 to 3 hours just to set up. You can serve it at this stage, but I do not like soft serve ice cream, so I'm just going to freeze it for a couple hours until it sets up. Here is the final product for a sugar-free, dairy-free ice cream. This was pretty good. It was creamy, it was light, but it had like this perfect amount of sweetness to it. If you want to make this recipe, the instructions are on my website, which will be linked down below. See you in the next video.